Hello everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick video update showing the result of that indoor herb garden that I started not too long ago. And here they are. Several things have sprouted since then. Move this out of the way. Alright, so the basil was the first one to sprout at about a week later, and they're doing pretty good. And next came the regular chives, and then the oregano. Now just today, I saw signs of the parsley coming out, as well as the peppermint. So those are finally catching up. Still nothing from the garlic chives, but you know what? That happens. I am actually really pleased with this overall, and I'll let them grow a little bit more and start thinning them out so that they have more space. And then after they grow a little bit more, I'll transplant them to bigger pots until we get them to the proper size, like these ones over here. I also started up, just because I was having fun with it, started some arugula and some miniature bok choy. So the arugula over here, doing very well. They only took like 1 day to sprout. So they appeared very quickly. This is like day 1.5. The bok choy is a miniature type. And you can see, here we go. You can see evidence of one over there. So they're a type of bok choy. I might be mispronouncing it, but you know what? I'm not even going to say it. I'm just going to spell it. Hedou, bok choy. It's a miniature type that is only supposed to grow about 3-4 inches maybe at best. And good for people who love baby bok choy. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how those turn out. And I just put 2 bok choy seeds in the corner, near the corner of the pot, so that they don't get too overcrowded and I don't have to do too much seeding, thinning out the seedlings that way. So yeah, put these back on. You know, despite the circumstances, we had some very cold nights from the vortex, and when it was overcast, this window was not as warm as it would be on a sunny day. Like today is perfect for germination and growth, but some of the days were not, and I was a little worried in the beginning when I wasn't seeing any seedlings for a few days. But then the basil finally popped out about a week later, like I said, and things have been going pretty smoothly with them ever since. So yeah, the journey's not over yet, of course. We still have to get them stronger and get them transplanted in their final pots. But I'd say this is a fairly good start for being a cheapo with this type of thing. No grow light, no heating mat, no anything. And, oh yeah, and I'm still primarily watering them with the spray since they have such shallow roots right now. The very tiny seedlings, I don't want to pour water over them because they can easily get washed away. When they get a little bit bigger, I'll do the normal pour water so that I don't have to spray any water on their leaves and, you know, have any like diseases or fungal issues from the water splashing on their leaves. All right, well, I will let you know when these are all in their final form, just to show how well the progress went. And, oh, hi, Dixie. Yeah, Dixie's very excited because we got a baby goat born. So currently a bottle baby. Right now, he's taking a nap, so we can't see the babies. No seeing the baby today. She's been surprisingly gentle with the babies too. So I'm very pleased with that. All right. Say goodbye, Dixie. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yes, good girl. So I know I mentioned a baby goat, and I know you all want to see the baby goat. Here he is. Little Sub-Zero. Yeah, he's up and at 'em, doing much better than he did before. We had extreme cold today, or not today, but when he was born, so yesterday. Sorry, I'm getting my days all mixed up. Where it was negatives and high wind chill and just the worst day of the polar vortex. And of course, he was born on that day, but it was just so cold outside that he couldn't even get his ears perked up. And he's actually a Nigerian dwarf goat. They're supposed to be perky and sticking out, but now he looks like a Nubian. So we'll see if his ears ever go from being floppy to perky, but yeah, he was taking a nap earlier with his first bottle, and soon we'll be giving him another bottle. They have to be fed every few hours. Yeah, you sweet boy. And we'll see if we can put him back outside with his mama. Yeah, he's trying to suck on my thumb. You're hungry, aren't you? Alright, I'm gonna go warm up your bottle, okay? Yeah, sweet baby boy. Okay.